Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to share a tutorial for this crochet sun back charm. So let's get started and make this. So we'll start by making a magic ring. After making the magic ring, we are going to make 6 single crochet in this ring for the round 1. So insert your hook in this ring and make the first single crochet, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So here I have completed round 1 and I am going to close this ring, but not fully closing it as it's easier to work for the round 2. Now I am using this scrap yarn as a stitch marker, so I am going to place it right here before making round number 2, and now we'll work for the round number 2. So insert your hook in this first stitch right here and make an increase in this stitch. Remember, an increase means 2 single crochet in the same stitch. So I have made 2 single crochet in this first stitch, and in the same way we are going to make an increase in the rest of the 5 stitches. And after completing this round we are going to have total of 12 stitches. So this is my second increase. Now the third one, fourth, fifth, and lastly the sixth one. So here I have completed round number 2 and I have total 12 stitches. Now I am going to close this hole right here. So pull this yarn tail and now it's closed. Now we are going to work for the round number 3. So place your stitch marker. So after placing the stitch marker, make a single crochet in this first stitch. Now an increase in the next one. So the pattern for this round will be a single crochet followed by an increase, again single crochet, increase, single crochet, increase, and we are going to repeat this pattern till we reach the stitch marker. So keep repeating this pattern, and after completing this round you are going to have total of 18 stitches. So I'll meet you after completing this round. So here I have completed round number 3 and I have total 18 stitches. Now we'll work for round 4. So place your stitch marker and make a single crochet in the first stitch. Now again a single crochet in the next stitch, and then an increase in the next stitch. So we have made 2 single crochet followed by an increase, and this is the pattern for this round. 2 single crochet, then increase, 2 single crochet, increase, and we are going to repeat this pattern till we reach the stitch marker. And after completing this round you are going to have total of 24 stitches. So keep repeating this pattern and I'll meet you after completing this round. So here I have completed round number 4 and now we'll work for round number 5. So place your stitch marker and make 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So it will be total 3 single crochet. So insert your hook in this first stitch, make the first single crochet, now the second single crochet in the next stitch, third in the next stitch, and after making 3 single crochet we are going to make an increase in the fourth one. So we have made 3 single crochet and an increase. And that's the pattern for this round. 3 single crochet followed by an increase, again 3 single crochet followed by an increase. Keep repeating this pattern till you reach the stitch marker, and after completing this round you are going to have total of 30 stitches. So keep repeating this pattern and I'll meet you after completing round number 5. So here I've completed round number 5 and now we are going to work for the last round, which is round number 6. So place your stitch marker, and in this round we are just going to make 1 single crochet in each stitch. So after completing this round we will have total of 30 stitches. We don't have to make any increase, just keep making 1 single crochet in each stitch. So after placing the stitch marker, make the first single crochet, now the second one in the second stitch, third single crochet, and this way keep making 1 single crochet in each stitch till you reach the stitch marker. So here I have completed round number 6 and this is how it looks. Now we are going to cut this yarn, pull it out, remove the stitch marker, and I'm gonna bring this at the back side. Now we are going to make another one with the same pattern, but in the second one do not cut the yarn. So just repeat the same pattern and make the another one. Remember not to cut yarn after completing the 6th round. So here I have made 2 of these, and in the second one I haven't cut the yarn, so remember do not cut the yarn in the second one. Now remove the stitch marker, and before joining this together we are going to make a spiral shape on this sun. It's just optional, adding details makes it look more cute, so I'm gonna add it. Let me show you how to do this. So firstly insert your hook in this center right here. Now it should look something like this. Now take the orange yarn, put it on your hook like this, leaving a little tail, and bring this to the other side like this. Once again I'm showing you. Insert your hook in the center, grab the orange yarn and bring it out to the other side. Now we are going to work in these rounds. You see we have all these rounds, so we are going to work in these. So insert your hook and there make a slip stitch. Again make another slip stitch, then another slip stitch, and this way just keep making slip stitch and make a spiral shape. So I have made this and this is how it looks. Now we are going to cut this orange yarn. And now take this to the back side. Now tie these together to secure it. And leave it as it is, because anyway we are going to stuff this. Now we are going to join both of these, so place it together. and make the sun rays as well in the 7th round. So insert your hook in this next stitch. We are going to take both of the stitches, this stitch and then the stitch opposite to this. We are going to join both these. So firstly insert your hook in the next stitch. Now take this part and insert your hook in any of the stitch and there make a single crochet. After making single crochet, we are going to chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After making 5 chains, skip this first one and make a single crochet in the rest of the 4 chain. So after skipping, make 1 single crochet in each chain. So insert your hook in the second chain and make the first single crochet. Now in the second one, second single crochet, third single crochet and now the fourth one. After making 4 single crochet, go back to the same stitch where you made the single crochet and there make a slip stitch. If you are confused, don't worry, I am going to explain it once more. So this is the first sun ray. Now in the next stitch, make a single crochet. So take the next stitch of this part and the opposite stitch on this part also. These two together and there make a single crochet. Again insert your hook in the next stitch and there make a single crochet and here again chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So skip the first one and make 1 single crochet in the next 4 chain. So 1 single crochet, second single crochet, third and then fourth. After you have made 4 single crochet, go back to the same stitch where you made the single crochet right here and there make a slip stitch. So this is the second sun ray. Now make a single crochet in the next one. Again a single crochet in the next one. Then again chain 5. And we are going to repeat this pattern. After chaining 5, skip the first one, make 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches, go back to the same stitch where you made the single crochet right here and make a slip stitch. Then make a single crochet in the next stitch, again a single crochet in the next stitch and then again chain 5, make the sun ray and we are going to repeat this pattern. When you reach half of this, leave a little space so that we can add some stuffing and then we are going to continue working. So repeat this pattern. So I have completed making till here and this is how it looks. Now I'm going to add some stuffing inside and then we'll continue making this. So after stuffing it, continue making the rays. So after completing all the rays, this is how it looks. Now if you want to add a keychain, then you can cut this yarn, hide it into stitches and add a keychain right here. But I'm using as a back charm, so I'm going to make a loop right here. So for making that, don't cut the yarn, just start making chains. I'm going to make 40 chains. If you want it more long, then you can add more chains. So keep chaining until you get the desired length. So here I have completed making 40 chains, and let me show you the length. This is the length. So once you get the desired length of the chain, then insert your hook in the next stitch right here, and there make a slip stitch. So it should be something like this. Now I'm going to cut the extra yarn, pull it out, and then we are going to hide this yarn tail into the stitches. So yarn your needle, and before hiding it, I'm going to make a knot right here. And after making the knot, I'm going to hide this into the stitches. Now cut the extra yarn. So our crochet sun back charm is ready to use. You can also use it as a keychain. I hope this was easy to follow. If you try making this, then tag me. My Instagram handle is mentioned below in the description box. Don't forget to like, share and comment down if you have any queries or suggestions, and subscribe to my channel for more crochet projects. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.